Here are some examples of the single lobe based rudimentary designs that FSI developed in the early 90s when they built this electronics console. If you could remove this rat's nest of wiring and tubing that's usually here, like I can now, you'll see that these E2P transducers, the terminal block for the E2P transducers, are buried on the back side of the drawer. So standing in the front, you have very little hope of accessing these, repairing these, replacing this. I'd like to see someone replace one of these solenoids that control the output of the E2P transducer from the backside here, and even figuring out which solenoid corresponds to its E2P transducer is a nightmare given the location of these stupid things. And then you have, of course, the motor speed controller, which is buried in tubing and wiring usually. But then that prevents access to the power supply, which the output is located way in here, buried beneath wire. And if you wanted to remove that power supply, you'd have to remove the entire drawer because the mounting screws are located on the back side, which is truly brilliant. It really makes it impossible to even replace the power supply. Most customers just abandon the thing and then cut the wires and route them to a new power supply they put in the front, which is what we're going to do.